Hey there, tech enthusiast. Have you ever been frustrated with Siri inability to answer some of your questions? Well, you are in luck. Today we are going to talk about a shortcut that can transform Siri into a AI-powered know-it-all using OpenAI ChatGPT. This shortcut was created by developer Yue Yang and it does not replace Siri with a ChatGPT. Instead, it uses Siri to forward your question to ChatGPT and provide responses from the chat bot. Yang states that since the shortcut connects ChatGPT and Siri, it can work on almost any device, with Siri including iPhones, iPad and Macs. To take advantage of this trick, you will need an OpenAI account which you can create on OpenAI website. After that, you can access your API key, which you will need to give Siri permissions to operate ChatGPT. Once you have downloaded the latest version of the shortcut created by the developer from GitHub, you can activate your ChatGPT powered Siri by choosing a phrase instead of just plain Siri. One of the best things about this shortcut is that allows you to personalize your assistant's personality. You can set it to be a joker, a writer, a chef and so on. The possibilities are endless. You can even use your ChatGPT powered Siri to create a new mathematical puzzles, although the results may not be what you were hoping for. So what do you think of this shortcut? Are you excited to try this out? Let us know in the comment below, and that's all my side. See you next one. Bye.